Hello everyone, Jonathan here from TNT Games LLC, and in this video tutorial, we're going to be using the third-person controller add-on made by this guy. And I've been noticing that there were a lot of problems trying to get this add-on to work, and even a little bit of a battle there, I guess. Which made me interested, so I thought, I'll download it and try it out. It is broken by default, so in this tutorial, let's fix that. I have Godot 4.6. I am also on CachyOS Linux OS, but the operating system shouldn't matter. We're going to create a new project, and this will be third-person template. And I'm going to use compatibility, although this project was made for Forward Plus, but that's just for rendering. I'm going to click on Create. Then I'm going to go to the asset library, as by default you could download the GitHub project, but you might as well just use the asset library. Type in third, then click on third person controller. Click on download, click on install, and you'll notice our first error is the plugin.gd script here. So go to your file manager, add-ons, third-person template, plugin.gd. Our error is right here at the preload because this script file is apparently renamed, so that won't work. Type in 2 quotes. And then we'll scroll down using the arrow keys and look for playertemplate.gd. Control S to save. And just for safety, I'm going to go to Project, Reload Current Project. And, oh, wrong button there. And I'm going to double click on playground.scene. And there's our player. And for safety, well, let's see here. First off, the scene, the position is changed. So we're going to reset the position to 0, 0. And I'm also going to lock. So we're not going to be able to select the scene anymore. And then there is our player template. I'm going to click on this script file here. Go down to the input function. And this is safety because whenever we start playing the game, our player is going to lock the mouse cursor to the center of the window. And that's not very good for testing. So I'm going to type in if input.is action just pressed UI underscore cancel get tree dot quit. That way, whenever we play the game, we can press the escape key, and it will close the window. That's our main safety net there. And I'm going to open the player scene. Also, one thing to do, go to Project, Project Settings, go over to Plugins, and enable the add-on. I don't know if I was supposed to do that before this or not, but we'll see what happens. Click on the body mesh. And then we'll open this up just a little bit more. And first thing we're going to do is make unique recursive on the array mesh. That will get rid of one of the warning messages we get later. Also for the skeleton, we need to set the skeleton to the skeleton 3D node. Now our player is animated. Now, for the most part, that is set up. Now there are some warning messages we're going to get. Go into Environments, Materials, and double click on each material and disable clear coat. This will get rid of some warning messages we get later. I think it's just related to Forward Plus. Since we're using compatibility, we can't use clear coat. The next thing we're going to do is go into Character, Nodes, and click on each one of these and just hold Control and press S. And we're going to do that for each one of these. That's just preemptively getting rid of some warning messages we'll get because the UID has changed in the newer version of Godot. We're going to click on the playground scene, click the plus button, click the play button, and then select current. Alright, so we're getting a warning message here, or an error message. I'm just going to click on select, playground, well, cancel. Alright. I'll just set it manually then. For some reason, I can't seem to set that because the UID is wrong for something. What is wrong? I'll just re-import the player. Well, I don't know. For now, I'm just going to reload the current project just in case. And click the play button, select current. There we go. Alright, so you'll notice that our player is animated, but we can't move, and we're getting a lot of error messages. I'm going to click on cancel, or escape. And here are all the error messages, as well as this warning, which you could get rid of by enabling forward plus. We're not going to do that. So what we need is the animation sprint, jump, forward, backward, left, right, aim, look up, look down, look left, look right. And I think there's even one for attack. But these are the main ones. We're going to go to project, project settings, input map, and then in here, the add new action, we're going to type in sprint and press enter. That will create a new action. And let's just do all the other ones while we're at it. Jump, and then there is forward, backward, left, right. There's aim, look up, look down, look left, look right. I think for the most part that is all of them, although I think there is an attack. It could be called fight. I don't remember at this point, but we'll find out. And for sprint, it is a hold button. So we're going to use shift. And also, if you wanted the joystick, I believe that'd be the joypad buttons. And look for an L3. That'll be the left joystick click. And for jump, we're going to press the spacebar and OK. As well as the joypad button, which will be the A button on the Xbox, which is the bottom face button. And forward, we're going to go with the up arrow, as well as W. And we're going to go for a joy axis, which will be left stick up. Backward will be the down arrow, the S key, and the joystick left down. If I had a controller plugged in, this would be a little faster. For left, we're going to go with the left arrow, the A key, as well as the left joystick left. For right, we're going to go with the right arrow, the D key, and the left joystick right. For aim, this is going to be a hold button, and we're going to use the right mouse. For look up, we're going to use the right joystick up. Look down is going to be the right joystick down. Right joystick down. There we go. And look left is going to be the right joystick left. And look right, right joystick right. Okay, and then attack is going to be left mouse button, as well as the F key. With all of those set up, we should be able to walk around, hold shift to run, press spacebar to jump, and left mouse button to attack. And if we run and left mouse button, we'll do a spin kick. And if we come up here, we can run off of here and fall. And if we hold the right mouse button, we can look around. All right, so that is, I believe, everything we have needed. What happened here? Whoops. All right. And again, this warning message can be changed if you go into /+ and reopen your project. I hope this tutorial helps you set up the third-person controller in Godot 4.6. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.